The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Good morning, people. Again, I don't know if the comments I'm gonna show, but as I say, I'm in the hospital, basically. I was attacked by Crocodile at Waves Beach. Well, it's not on, I would say it would be on Waves Beach property, but it's in that vicinity. I don't know whoever is like familiar with Portmore, Fort Clarence. Somebody can comment. I'm gonna see if they comment them on. I don't know if the comments I'm showing still. Me and a friend basically came down from the States after being there for a while working and stuff, and you know, when they come from Friday they say you want some seawater, what's that, so we decide the comments on my word, we decide go to the beach, which is Night Beach, and there be Crocodile attack me. Getting a little pain. As I say, it's the beach beside Waves and Foot Class. I'm not gonna show my face because I'm in a lot of pain. Yeah. With the day in the water, like a little bit out of the shore, and my friend just feel some bite in my mouth. I said, what that? And we jump, and when he jump, he wall on me, like a dry man, wall on me, and I try to show him my foot. Yeah, that's my foot. That's blood right there. Yeah. And wall on for my friend. I draw my friend wall on for me. I leg off for my friend wall on for my foot, and I ring it. I have a broken bone. My foot is broken, they say. So waiting on the bone specialist. My friend, he might forget the operation because he took out a huge chunk of his leg and stuff. He took out a huge chunk. I am in a lot of pain, I swear. So, people who is swimming in the vicinity of Fort Clarence and Waves Beach and Sugarman Beach and whatever, be careful. Crocodile is swimming in that water. It's not the first time I've been to Night Beach. I've been there in the day, I've been there in the night. Because I was busy today, we never get forgot early on. So we've been there in the day, we've been there in the night, and we have never seen crocodiles, but I guess overfishing and whatever, they're migrating to feed in the water. So even though they're not saltwater crocodile, they can swim in the salt water for a while. So people be warned, crocodile is swimming in the water at Fort Clarence, Waves, Sugarman Beach, all of that water right there. You understand? We do have shark. I thought it was a shark, but it wasn't shark, it was crocodile, and crocodile is more deadly cause when they grab my foot in my ring, so I saw why my foot is broken. So right now I wait on the bone specialist. It happened about 8 something around 8, 9 something in the night. So right now I'm in a lot of pain. The amount of ball, like I never feel so much pain in my life, I swear. So yeah. Right now at 3 o'clock and my mother just left. She just left and think I'm in at the trauma area. I guess that's what they call trauma. I never been admitted in the hospital, so they have to admit me. And thing. So yeah, they said they have to admit me. So Spanish Town Hospital, Debbie. I'm in the Spanish Town Hospital. Like, I could have basically lose the life because when Crocodile hold on them, they normally let go. So and let go. Thanks for the girl. Let's see. My friend there. I'm not showing your face, but I think I'm getting something knock him out because him there in way more pain than me. And if me there not so much pain than him, there not more pain than me. Like imagine pain in there now. Veronica, I don't know this hospital, yeah. When you just come in, a bunch of people there around you and then rub your foot and then do this and then do that. After that, it's like, yeah, my friend asleep, carry upset her. Friend asleep.
Viewers and subscribers, I just presented a video to you that you can hear a person explaining about something that had happened to him and his friend. And what had happened, according to what has been said by the person that is, talking in the video, is that him and his friend had been injured by a crocodile. They had been attacked and injured by a crocodile. Viewers and subscribers, according to what the person had said, is that they had been attacked and injured by a crocodile within the area of Wave Beach, right? So my guess is that they had been attacked and injured by this crocodile close to the place that is known as Wave Beach, but not on Wave Beach itself. All right, that is just my guess based on what I've heard the person had said in the video. He's trying to let persons or people be aware of the areas of Wave Beach and Elsha Beach, those beaches that is within the St. Catherine, Portmore St. Catherine area, the Elsha area, because of what had happened to the person. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I am afraid of crocodile. I don't know about anybody else, but me definitely afraid of a crocodile. Alligators, you see me? Because I find those animals to be dangerous, really dangerous, right? And I'm telling you, like, if me there right here, so, I may see a crocodile 30, 40 foot out there, so, me I take time and go further, make them 30, 40 foot turn all 100 foot one time. You get what me I say to you? Because those animals, they live off a certain instinct where it's just dangerous. I want to say respect to the person that is trying to warn and alert the public about what had happened. You know what I mean? And I wish for a speedy recovery for both these persons, and I hope that their wounds will heal and not affect them in the future, because this that had happened is a terrible thing, right? It's a very terrible thing. this person is trying to make the public be aware of what's going on and be careful, or this person is actually trying to share what had happened to the person and the friend. You get me? So viewers and subscribers, this is like an awareness to let everyone know about crocodiles in the waters of, the St. Catherine waters there, which is the Wave and the Hellshire Beach and the other beaches that is surrounding that area. All right, so be careful, right? The person told us, the person said that they went night beach and so forth, you know what I mean? But however, crocodiles is in the water, you just have to be careful. That's it. All right. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, so me Dancehall Skilla, but they have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. You see me? And you can let me know what you think about something like this. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.